This will be the first upload onto my new Knives and Ham channel, so stick around. Hope you enjoy it. I'm excited to get out here and try this. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So we're out today on the river, doing a little hanging action. Really nice out here. Beautiful day and some radio action. Thanks for stopping by. Check out this video of the Xiegu G90 and the Take It Along Silver Bullet setup, portable out here in the woods. We're going to see if we can get it done in what I'm hearing is a Georgia QSO going on right now, which I had no idea. I mean, look at that. 40 meter is smoking. Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
Contest for the Georgia State QSO party. This is Kilo November 4, Foxtrot Yankee Zulu calling CQ.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
I got an Alpha Bravo, but it's hard to pull you out.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
Go again, Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
Is it AB4 Mike?
QSL 59 into Virginia.
In the Fulton, Georgia, but it's hard to hear.
Roger, 59 into Virginia, QRP and portable, 20 watts.
I heard Victor Alpha Virginia, QSL.
QSL, portable, 20 watts.
Yeah, I can make you out portable and QSL
73, happy Easter.
Yeah, good to hear. This is Kilo November.
Cool, that worked, man. On the Silver Bullet, and got it tuned. Really nice, easy with this radio. I mean, this thing is so nice to set up. Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike, 59 Coweta, Charlie Oscar Whiskey Echo.
59 into Virginia, QRP, 20 watts, portable.
Doing a good job. You're out of 59 here into just south of Atlanta, 73.
73, stay safe out there.
You too. Yours at Whiskey 4, Lima.
All right, cool. 7188. Nice. All right, so folks, I just realized my SD card telling me it's full. I deleted a couple things to record this, and I'm going to try and get one more contact and then wrap it up for this video. This guy's down in Georgia. Come on, there he is.
CQ Georgia QSO party. CQ Georgia QSO party. This is Kilo November 4 Alpha Delta Mike calling CQ Georgia QSO party and listening.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
There's a station way down in the noise. I don't know if I can pick you out. Try again.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
I'm sorry, the noise just swallowed you up. Negative contact.
CQ, the Georgia State QSO party. Here is Kilo Delta 4, Yankee Delta, KD4YDD.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike.
Alpha Bravo 4 Mike, thank you. 59 Gwinnett County, Golf Whiskey, India, November.
59 into Virginia, QRP portable.
I got your QRP portable about S9 into Georgia. Great job from Virginia on QRP signal. Thank you for stopping by, sir.
Thank you. It's 73.
73 to you. QRZ, please.
Nice. All right, got through. All right, that's going to be the last one. So my SD card is about had it, and can't delete it so much. That was the first look of the Xiegu G90 paired up with the Silver Bullet Take It Along system. I'm very pleased with what I was able to accomplish today, at least the 10 contacts, just goofing off out here. So I had a really good time, and hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Make sure to hit subscribe. This is a new channel. I don't have any subs yet, so I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more to come. thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, this is knives and hams, so just to make sure, I do have my knives on me. So a quick tip, what I'm doing is taking a Sharpie and just marking the coils. This is a mark that I did, so this square part marks where this was, and of course the line. I haven't done it for 40 meters yet. So we just did all those contacts with. So I'm just going to take my Sharpie and mark this, put a little square above it, and put the line. And I didn't even get a chance to go up to 80 yet. So anyway, very cool. All right, there we go. I just marked it. So I'll have the flat line and then a little raised area right there too. I know where to align the screw. All right, there it is. Silver Bullet 1000. Take it along. Just made contacts on 3.775. Didn't record it because I don't have enough battery, but it does the job. I'm telling you, you saw it all before on 40 meters.